What's up, guys? It's Dragon Nose Z, and I'm here to do a video, like a behind-the-scenes look of DBZ Ultimate Series Episode 7. Now, I'm currently at the part where Shawn Michaels is getting beaten up by Cell. As you can see, Goku is about to turn Super Saiyan. In order to help Shawn Michaels, right here. He's about to turn Super Saiyan to help Shawn Michaels, but then back at the villain's lair, Broly is sending out Sentry to go help Cell because he senses that something is gonna go wrong, and yeah, he's sending out Sentry to go help Cell. As you can see, he's screaming out at Sentry to go help Cell. Right there. Yeah, so, subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and all that good stuff to see episode 7, and, it'll be up in a couple of days. Alright, so, yeah, peace out.